Hello everyone. I always make that first mistake. Hello everyone, it's Belinda D here and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do a highly requested video. Most of my friends have been telling me, Belinda, how do you do your brows? I need the eyebrow tutorial. I need videos for eyebrow. I need to learn how to do my eyebrow. Please do a video for me, blah blah blah. And I'm like, okay, today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial and it's going to be extremely detailed. It's going to be super detailed for beginners. So yeah, it's beginners friendly. So stay tuned and watch. Oh yeah, before I go, let me just explain my dressing. Yeah, so I have this top band that I stole from my mom's closet. She doesn't know. She will know when she watches the video. And I'm just showing you guys that yeah, I'm a true proud African. That's why I'm just wearing this. Actually, it's because I don't have anything to wear. This is not my style. Let's get to the video, guys. So the first thing you'll be needing is this. I'm intentionally using a brow pencil because, like I said earlier, it's beginners friendly. Yeah, it's beginners friendly. So I'm using a brow pencil. I'm not using an eyebrow filler or whatever. I'm just using a brow pencil, something that anybody can get at a very cheap rate. So the first thing you do is to do your measurement. You might be wondering, which measurement? What is this girl talking about? Yeah, for beginners you have to measure your eyebrow. If you are going out and you have to do your eyebrow, just know that you have to do your eyebrow like 1 hour before. You measure from the side of your nose right here. So this is where the brow starts from. Wow, that's too much. Okay, yeah, so that's where the brow starts from. So now you're going to measure from the tone of your nose. So you're going to take it from here down there, like that. So let me just draw the line. Okay, so this. So you're taking it from here. Wow, this is too thick, man. I even broke the pencil a little bit. Okay, so now you're taking it from this edge now. Okay, yeah, you're taking it from this edge down to just carefully measure it though. That's it. Can you let me draw the line so you guys will see it? So I'm going to do the same thing for my second eyebrow. Just do the measurement right here. The tone. Now you might be wondering, why am I calling this thing tone? Well, it's true, it's tone. I do like to play with kids. You know, when you carry a child and the child is trying to play with you or play with your face, the first thing that child will do is I don't know, maybe it's just my niece, but yeah, that's what she does. I'm just gonna do the same thing right here and draw the line. Now we have our measurements. Normally I won't make it this obvious, but I'm just doing it because of y'all. So we're going to take it from here, right from this side, and just try to draw a straight line. So when we get to this arch, we'll make sure we curve it and bring it down to this point. So that's what we'll do. I forgot to tell you guys what the measurement is even for. I just said you should measure. So this is what the measurement is for. You're measuring from here. This is where the eyebrow is going to start from. This is the arch area where it is going to curve, and this is where the eyebrow is going to end. I guess that's clear. So now we're done making a straight line down here. My line is so fat, man. Now we're done doing that, we're going to do the same thing at the upper part. So when we get to that side, that arch area, we're just going to curve it down to this. So at this point, don't even bother if you have any mistake, because that's where the concealer comes in. You're going to conceal everything, okay? So just calm down, calm down, breathe in, breathe out, because I know that eyebrow is not really something you can just and you're done. So I'm doing the same thing for my second eyebrow now. So when I get to the arch, I'll bring it down. So guys, make sure that you're doing this one along with me, so it's going to just be easy for you. Then we're bringing it down right there. I don't know if it's very clear in the camera. Wow. So guys, this is the first time I'm drawing something in front of the camera. This head is kind of like too fat, but don't worry, it's okay. We're just gonna conceal it. And guys, I want you to remember something while drawing your eyebrow. I want you to know that brows are not twins, they are sisters. Although they're not stepsisters though, so just try to make them look a little bit alike, but it can't be so perfect. Some people really try with their brows though, but for beginners, it's okay. It's okay if you make mistakes. I'm giving my brows some air-like strokes, just like that. Just going to give it, so it's just gonna look natural. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? I'm doing prodigal child, like I'm out of the brow. So we're gonna do the same thing for the second one. So this is what I'm doing. I first of all filled the edge in, and then I'm taking the brow pencil. I'm just like okay, now do it with brains, you know. With brains and not with browns. Okay, so like I said earlier, eyebrows are not twins, they're just sisters. So as you can see, horrible, like it's not so perfect. And yeah, that's why I said this tutorial is beginners friendly. So I'm doing this so that y'all will see that everything is not just always perfect. It has to be ugly first, then later it will be perfect. I'm going in with this pulley or mascara wand. I don't know, anyone you call it. It works for me. So if you don't have this and you have a very old mascara that has finished that you just don't want to throw away, just take the mascara wand inside and it's gonna do the job for you. So what I'm doing now is that I'm just brushing it out to make it look natural, like to have that natural look. So guys, when you're brushing, don't do cha 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 like you're fighting with it. No, just brush it like carefully. Just carefully brush it like that. Okay guys, so we're done brushing the eyebrows out now. I'm mixing two different concealer pros, and I'm taking this very tiny brush. This is my concealer brush, as you can see. Very tiny and flat. I'm just going to mix the concealer right here. You can actually get a color that fits you instead of mixing two colors, but I don't know why, I just love this. I just love mixing two different colors together. It just gives me that lovely look I really want. Guys, what I'm just doing, I'm concealing from the arch area and I'm just like bringing it down to the ending like that. Then I'm starting from the beginning part now and I'm just make them meet at the middle. Sweet in the middle, you know. Look at me, do you know? You know. So guys, you can see that my brows are already like on flick. You're my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And it's the African beauty. Oh my god, wouldn't this song? So guys, now I'm just concealing the upper part too. So I'm gonna carefully do that and shut my mouth. Don't mind me guys, I'm feeling too comfortable here. I don't want to make it look this fat, so we're going to try our best to make it look penciled, like oh my god, this is lovely guys, like lovely. It's lovely, honestly. So guys, this is super duper concealed, as you can see. Shouldn't worry about the concealer being too much at this point, because now we're going to blend it. So I'm using this my foundation brush. I actually don't use this for foundation. I use any brush. I just really love this one. So I'm just going to use this one to like blend it out. So I'm starting from the upper part, because the upper part is the one that needs to be blended out the most. The one right here, you can blend it a little bit and just apply your eyeshadow and you're good to go. So guys, we need to take our time at this point, because any little mistake now can just ruin the eyebrow. So we need to really take our time here. Just try to like blend. While blending, we don't want to forget this middle part. You guys can actually stop here, but Belly will not stop here. I'm going in with another concealer brush. This is one I use mostly, as you can see. It's even dirty. No, like it's not dirty, it's concealer failed, you know. So I'm just going to dip it in that same mixture that I did. So I'm just like, so I'll try to make it very flat. Try to just make it. So I'll just do now is to give it some air-like strokes. So guys, this is like my signature look. If you don't see this on my eyebrow, it means that I didn't draw that eyebrow by myself. So now I'm using that same spoolie to just blend it out so that the concealer won't be looking too obvious. So I'm going to do the second one off camera and I'll be back. Now I'm using this my classic powder that I've almost finished. I'm just going to put it right here. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. You know what to do, guys. Or is it like the only style, like please guys, I'd like you to comment down below telling me what exactly you liked in this video. See you next week. Bye. Why would I say bye? Like, okay, bye.